So I've been experimenting, trying to find the answer to the question everybody's got. How to get the flattest finish in your clear coat. And I discovered something pretty interesting. So we're working on this Kia. It's this really cool blue color. I just finished laying my color on with that one visit modifier. So everything's still drying. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna clear this door one way and we're gonna clear this door another way. We're not gonna change any settings on our gun. The only thing we're gonna do is change the method in which I apply it. So we're gonna change the distance from which I spray the panel at. We're not changing anything else. And both of these doors are technically new doors. This one was a skin. This is a complete new door. So starting surface was completely equal between these two. So if there is any difference between this panel and this panel, it's gonna be because of how we applied our clear. Now this is gonna be a short video, but it's worth watching the whole thing. So don't go skipping and clicking and all that on me, because then you screw my average watch time and then YouTube won't send the video out. So if you support me and you like these videos, drop a like on it right now and watch it through. It's gonna be action-packed, informative, and worth every second of your watch. So without further ado, let me go mix my clear, then we'll get back in here and start laying it down. We're back in the booth. We got our clear in our DV1. Now here is the plan. We're going to clear this door, which is the full door, right? That one is cut for the quarter. So on our full door, we're gonna clear it how we would normally clear. Our gun distance is going to be how it would normally be. On this door, we're gonna call it our quarter door, just so there's no confusion. I am going to hold my gun so close to this panel, you guys are gonna be screaming on the other side of this video. I'm willing to bet this one comes out flatter than that one. Maybe I'm wrong, but I've been experimenting and these have been the results I've been getting. We have our MC161. 21 PSI, fan one turn in. We'll go ahead and clear this door how I normally would. You see my gun is about maybe 3 or 4 inches from the panel. I don't know how well the camera's gonna capture the depth there, but I tried showing you guys. Looks like a pretty nice first coat, can't lie. Now we're gonna jam this gun up on this panel. And obviously, I'm gonna have to move a little quicker when I do this, right? So I don't run the hell out of it. But you can see I'm about, I don't know, 2 inches from the panel. I mean, my gun is right up on that panel. Also a pretty nice finish. At the end, we're gonna get a real close-up shot of both of these panels. And then you guys are gonna be the judge. All right, we're back and ready for our second coat. So again, on this door, I'll apply it how I normally would. And I'm slowing down my passes a little, which I won't really be able to do as well on the other door, since my gun is gonna be a lot closer. But I'm still gonna try to slow those passes down, because that will definitely play a role into how flat our finish is. Looking pretty good. All right, now here we go. Second coat, and we're going close. You guys see how close I have this gun here. Hopefully. And I'm slowing my pass down.
I would definitely not recommend doing this if you're a newer painter, because you will absolutely run the crap out of this house. All right, we're gonna give this about 10 minutes to flow out. Then I'll put these panels side by side and we'll get a real close-up shot to compare them to one another.
Okay, we have given these things about 10 minutes now. Now, let's check out what we got. And you guys are gonna be the judge here. I'll give you my opinion, but ultimately this is for you guys to decide. So, here's what we have on our full door that we clear coated normally. You see very minimal orange peel, but there is slight orange peel in there. All right, now let's move over to this door. What do you guys think? Do we have less peel here, or do we have less peel here? To me, the answer is pretty obvious. I would say this door has less peel. And this is the door that I went and jammed my gun up on for both passes. And it looks incredible. Is it a show car finish? No, but it's pretty damn close. Don't get me wrong, that's a solid finish too, but you see the orange peel in it a lot easier than you see the orange peel in this door. Let me know which door you think has less orange peel. The full door or the quarter door. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, got any value out of it, or if you were entertained, if you could, drop a like, comment, and maybe even subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys. Until the next time, peace.